It's quiet. Too quiet. Ow! Who are you? I'm a lava bubble. I mean lava bubble. I'm not touching you. Yep. Gonna burn me. I see that. What happens if I touch you? Psow! Too hot. Psow! Sorry. It's okay.